Since the early 2000s, technology has evolved at a pace that's nothing short of astonishing. Innovations that once existed only in science fiction have become part of everyday life. Smartphones, cloud computing, AI assistants, and virtual classrooms have all transformed the way we live, work, and connect. So it's only natural to wonder, what will the world look like by 2050? If you find the future as fascinating as we do, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Let's start with nanotechnology. This field is moving quickly, with researchers developing microscopic machines capable of performing tasks at a cellular level. Looking ahead, experts believe that nanobots could be inserted directly into our bodies, especially our brains, where they would connect us to the digital world in real time. Through brain-computer interfaces, we might soon be able to think a question and get an instant answer without reaching for a phone or a keyboard. Imagine accessing the internet just by thinking. Complex math problems could be solved instantly. Foreign languages might be understood and spoken on demand. With the mind and computer working as one, we could surpass today's limits in learning, creativity, and problem-solving. For students, this could mean no more struggling with homework. And for professionals, it could mean breakthroughs in science, medicine, and engineering. Another fast-developing field is 3D printing. What began as a novelty used by hobbyists has now expanded into building tools, machine parts, and even full homes. By 2050, 3D printers could be capable of creating vehicles, aircraft components, and even edible meals. As technology improves, these printers will become more affordable and widespread, possibly available in every home. Open-source communities are already sharing design files that allow anyone to print useful items. This trend could explode in the coming decades, allowing individuals to print everything from furniture to custom clothing, and even weapons or complex electronics. One particularly exciting idea is the development of food printers. If successful, this could offer a powerful solution to hunger in regions facing food insecurity. The future of medicine also looks radically different. With brain-computer interfaces enabling the transfer of data between humans and machines, we may reach a point where memories and knowledge can be saved like files and uploaded into another body, potentially a humanoid robot. In theory, this could allow human consciousness to live on long after the body has died. In addition to potentially extending life, major breakthroughs in curing diseases like cancer are likely. Advanced AI, genetic engineering, and personalized medicine could dramatically increase survival rates. However, as with most new technology, these medical advancements will come with a hefty price tag at first, meaning access will likely be limited to the wealthiest. Let's talk about transportation, an area that's already undergoing massive change. Self-driving cars are currently being developed and tested by companies like Tesla and Waymo. By 2050, we could see roads filled with autonomous vehicles that communicate with each other to eliminate accidents, optimize routes, and reduce traffic. Imagine getting into a vehicle that doesn't need a driver. You could nap, work, or stream your favorite show as the car takes you safely to your destination. With the average person spending hundreds of hours a year in traffic, this shift could give people back a lot of valuable time. Then there's the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system under development that uses magnetic levitation to glide pods through low-pressure tubes. Once fully realized, it could move passengers at over 300 kilometers per hour, cutting down travel time between cities and reducing the environmental footprint of public transit. Clean, fast, and efficient. It's the future of getting around. But high-tech travel needs sustainable fuel. With the climate crisis escalating, our current use of fossil fuels must change. In 2050, we expect to see a massive shift to renewable energy sources. Vehicles will likely run on electricity from solar, wind, ocean thermal, or hydrogen power. Companies like Blue Rise are developing ways to harness energy from the ocean's temperature differences, a process known as ocean thermal energy conversion. These innovations could eventually phase out fossil fuels entirely, helping us fight global warming and protect the planet. Space exploration may no longer be limited to astronauts. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are making major strides in developing reusable rockets and planning missions to the Moon and Mars. By 2050, space tourism could be available to the public, though probably only to those who can afford the high cost. Beyond tourism, the long-term goal is colonization. Scientists and engineers are working to build sustainable habitats on other planets. If successful, humanity might one day live in space communities, opening a new chapter in our evolution. It's an exciting thought, but one that will take time and global collaboration to achieve. Now let's shift to artificial intelligence. Already a huge part of our world, AI will become even more powerful by 2050. Experts believe AI systems will eventually surpass the human brain's processing power. That kind of intelligence could make healthcare diagnostics more accurate, automate dangerous jobs, and even assist in scientific discovery. But it also poses serious questions. How do we make sure AI reflects human values? Can machines be trusted to make ethical decisions? Will AI take over jobs and create mass unemployment? These are concerns that researchers and policymakers are working hard to address. The future workforce will need to adapt. Many current jobs may disappear, replaced by machines, while entirely new careers emerge. Education will also look very different. We're already seeing a shift toward digital learning, accelerated by the pandemic. By 2050, most schools might be fully virtual. Students will learn from anywhere using tablets, headsets, and AI tutors. Universities may offer global online degrees with instructors powered by artificial intelligence. These AI teachers could prepare lessons, answer questions, and even grade assignments. While this could make quality education more accessible worldwide, it might also take away some of the human touch that makes teaching so impactful. Still, it's a promising step toward reducing education gaps around the globe. Then there's the rise of the metaverse. Introduced widely by companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, the metaverse is a virtual universe where people can work, shop, socialize, and play using digital avatars. By 2050, this space will be far more immersive and functional than it is today. Want to take a vacation? Visit a museum? Attend a concert? You could do it all from home using a VR headset, or even just your thoughts thanks to brain-computer interfaces. The line between virtual and physical reality will continue to blur, raising new questions about connection, privacy, and identity. Let's talk money. Physical cash is already on the decline, and it may completely disappear by 2050. Digital wallets, crypto-based systems, and AI-managed finances will take over. Even grocery shopping could be automated. Imagine your refrigerator detecting when you're out of milk and ordering it for you. Home life will be more automated too. Smart homes will become truly intelligent. They'll detect your mood, adjust lighting and music, and even respond to unspoken commands. Holographic TVs may replace traditional screens, popping up when summoned and disappearing when not in use. All of this will be powered by the same nanotech discussed earlier. So, here we are, back to where we began. In the span of a few decades, these innovations could reshape every part of our world. Not everything we've discussed will happen exactly as imagined, but many of these ideas are already in development. The future is not as far off as it seems. One thing is certain: the world in 2050 will be faster, smarter, and more connected. But as we race ahead, we'll need to be thoughtful about how we use this power, making sure it benefits all of us, not just a few. Thanks for taking a glimpse into the future with me. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.